Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Onoja Nathaniel is my name, and in this video I want to show us how you can trade futures on Binance using your mobile phone as a beginner. It is very simple, and for beginners who would like to go into futures trading, you'd want to pay attention to this video as I'm going to be explaining in details what to do and how to do, where and when to do. Okay, so before I go into it, if you are just joining for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. I also want to say a very big thank you to all of us out there who have been part of this channel. Right now we are on 1000 subscribers, and I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has been part of this journey thus far. Okay, let me quickly show us here how to trade futures. This is my Binance application. I will leave a link in the description box for you to get Binance or get registered on Binance if you don't already have an account. Okay, when you register on your Binance, you would be asked to do your KYC verification. Okay, KYC verification means know your customer. You would have to upload your ID, your name, and the rest of them. All right, so once you are verified, you can see here that I am verified. You will then come back to start your trading properly. Below the screen you would see home, you would see markets, you see trades, you will see futures and the wallet. The first thing you would have to do is make sure you deposit USDT on your account. You would have to either buy USDT with your Naira or any local currency you are using. I previously made a video about how to use Binance P2P. You can also check the description box as I am going to be dropping the link there. To buy USDT with your local currency, all you need to do is go to your wallets, go to funding. When you click on funding, you would see P2P. Click on P2P, and from here you can get that. When you buy USDT through P2P, it will reflect under your funding wallet. Then you will have to transfer it from your funding wallet to your spot wallet, because you cannot trade futures when you have your money under the funding. Your money would have to be under the futures. Okay, this is the futures. So what you want to do is send your funds from the funding to the spot wallet like this. You would change the assets to USDT, and the amount, any amount you have there, you just transfer. So when you move your assets from funding to spot wallets, you would see it that, okay, this is already in my spot wallet. Then the next thing you would want to do is move from your spot wallet to futures wallet. And how do you do that? You click on transfer. When you click on transfer, you would see transfer from spot wallet to cross margin. You would have to change that to futures. We have the USD M futures and we have the coin M futures, which means if you are going to be trading USD pairs, you have to select the first wallets. But if you want to be trading coin pairs like BNB slash Ethereum, Bitcoin slash Ethereum, and the rest of them, those are coin pairs, then you select the coin M futures. But since you are going to be trading USD against or other coins against USD, we are going to move the assets to the USDS M futures. Okay, so from spot to USDM futures, then you would have to select the asset, which is USDT, and you would move the balance into your futures wallet. Now I am just showing us all of this so we get a clear picture of how it works. Now that we have moved our asset to futures wallet, you would click on futures below, just before the wallet. Just click on it. This is the space to do your futures trading. Now at the top of the screen, you see AGIX USDT, perpetual under, and you would see that we are already on buy. When you click on sell, it changes to red, and sell is called short. You can see it written below there also. Buy is called long, and the color is green. What you can see below the perpetual indication there is cross, and when you click on that cross, you would see isolated and cross. This is isolated and this is cross. What cross does is that when you open a trade under the cross, you are going to be backing that trade up with everything you have in your futures wallet. Okay, let's say you use $50 to buy a particular trade under the futures. Once it's going negative, you will notice that what you have in your wallet would be reducing to the point of liquidation. All right, now the isolation or the isolated trade margin will help you safeguard what you have in your futures wallets. The isolated margin here helps you safeguard what you have in your futures wallet, which means when you buy a trade with a particular amount, it is only that amount that is at stake. When the trade goes negative, it is going to automatically end itself as soon as the money you used for that trade is liquidated. The difference between cross and isolated is that cross would liquidate all your assets, while isolated will only take off what you have in that trade, like what you used to buy that trade. Okay, so those are the difference. The screen right here is divided into two. By the right side, you will see the funding countdown by, you see sell limits, the price, and all of that. At the left side, you would see the price in USDT and the amount of the particular token you are trading live running. So you'd see that is the price 0.49 for this AGIX that we are on right now. If you want to change the assets, the currency you're trading, just click on it, and you would get the option to search for any cryptocurrency you want to trade. So let's say we change to Kava, for example. This is it. The price right now is 0.992. At the front of cross, where you see 20x is the leverage. When you click on it, you will be able to adjust leverage. Leverage is simply the calculation of the trading multiples. Okay, if you use a high leverage, your trades are going to be multiplied in that manner, which means when you use 50x, 100x, whatever you are making is going to be multiplied by that, which would increase your earnings or increase your losses. Remember, the same way you can make money with high leverage, you can also lose your money with high leverage. You can lose a lot of money with high leverage, so you would want to minimize or reduce the leverage you use, especially as a novice. Okay, 5 to 10%, is okay for you. All right, and the max position of a current leverage is always given. Okay, you can see that for 15x the max position is $10,000. Let's use 10x here. I'm just going to click on confirm. So our leverage now is 10x. Always see leverage as the multiples of your trade. All right, now we have buy, we have sell. Like I said, buy means long, which means price should go up. You are saying price is going up. Why sell means short. You're saying price is coming down. How to trade futures? First of all, you would want to analyze the cryptocurrency you are going into, and that is why you need to check the charts. You need to check the movement, do your analysis. It is very important. I made a series about technical analysis where I shared a lot of indicators and I discussed them. You'd also want to check them out and learn as much as you can. At the top of the screen, just below the leadership board, you will see two candlesticks there. Click on it and it will open. Now, this is the field where you would have to make your analysis. You can see that it is on the 1 hour time frame. You can change it to the 15 minutes and it would adjust. This means every candlestick you see here represents 15 minutes. Okay, when you click on the 4 hours, see that the look has changed and every candlestick here represents the movement for 4 hours. This is for 1 day and the rest of them. Now let's go to 15 minutes. You can also come lesser to 5 minutes. I'm going to use this 5 minutes for our illustration. Now I want to trade, and I want to quickly go into this cover trade to show us how it works. And here I'm just going to give a brief explanation of what I expect in the market. Now you can see that it has reached this resistance point, which is 1.0, and we are on the way to 1.01 from here. Okay, so this is how the chart looks like, and it has formed double bottom. These two edges here and here are the double bottom indication, and this chart is on its way to 1.01. So what I'm going to do now is that I will just go back and I am going to buy. Now there are two ways to buy here. Either I put the amount I want to buy here. I want to buy at this rate, 886 or 80, let's say 0.9980. I want to buy, and you can see this nozzle here. It is going to help you select the, it is going to help you calibrate what happens in your the amount you put into this trade. Okay, so here I am just going to make sure I use 10% of my assets. Okay, I don't trade more than 10% of that, so let's make it 10%. Okay, and the equivalence of the 10%, you can see it below, it is $62. You can see the max of KAV that I can buy. Then the expected liquidation price is 0.0003, which means I am going to buy this to go up. When it falls down to 0.0003, I'm going to lose everything in my assets because I am on cross. So I'm just going to buy, or let me change the amount to the current amount. So I'll click on buy. My order is still pending. You can see under the open order that it is still pending, and this is because the price has not, okay, the price is down. Let me refresh it. Yes, so it has already entered my trade. Remember, I predicted that it is going up to 1.012, which is up here. All right, and I have entered the order. When it begins to come below what I just entered, you would see that it will be showing negative. On this position screen, you would see that the PNL is showing 0.5, and then the ROE, which is the return on investment. PNL means profit and loss. See, this, my return on investment in percentage is showing 0.6 or 1.1 now, and the size of the cover that I bought 625. The margin is the amount I used for this trade. How much did I put into this trade? The risk here is calculated based on how much I put in and how much I have in my wallet to support it. That is why the liquidation price here is also 0.0016, which is the correct or the more accurate liquidation price. You can see my entry where I entered the market, which is 0.9994, and the market price, which is the current market price, it changes alongside with what you see moving up here. All right, so below this you would see adjust leverage, you would see stop profits and loss, you would see close position. If you want to adjust your leverage, let's say you don't want to trade with 10x anymore, you can reduce it or increase it, but this might also change your setup. Okay, let's go back. If you want to set stop loss or take profit, let's say you will not be online and you might not be monitoring the position, but you would want to take profit when it goes up to 1.02 cents that we are expecting it to go. You can set your take profit so that when it gets to that point, it will automatically take your profit for you, or you stop loss when it is going opposite your prediction or your analysis. So if you click on the stop loss and take profit, you would see TP/SL. It is take profit slash stop loss. But what I always do is the position take profits and the stop loss. So you would want to click on the position TP/SL SL. And here you would see the take profits target and you will see the stop loss target. The trigger type is market price, which means the price that it is at instantly it should take profit for you. So the take profit here, I'm going to say take profit at 1.02. Now it is written that when market price reaches 1.02, it will trigger take profit market order to close the position. Estimated PNL will be 12.88 USD. So I am going to make $12 from this trade when it hits my target. Now my stop loss, I'm going to say, okay, when this goes to 0.99, yes, when it goes to 0.99, please exit this trade. And this is what was written. When market price reaches 0.99, it will trigger a stop market order to close this position. Estimated PNL will be minus 5.8787 USDT, which means if it comes down to this point, I am going off the market and I am going to lose $5, 5.8 rather. So you can just click on confirm and it is going to log in your orders. So under the open orders, you can see that we have some pending orders here which would get triggered. Any of these that is first met will be triggered and the other one will close down. So go back to the positions and you would see that our trade is doing well. This is 3% and it is equivalent to $1.92 now. So your leverage matters here, and the amount you're trading with also matters. All right, if you want to sell, it is the same process. You just go to sell. Sell means the price is going to fall. Remember, what action you take is dependent on your analysis. The limit you see here enables you to edit whatever price you want to buy or sell at. Okay, so when you want to always trade at instant market, buy or sell at every current price, what you do is you change this limit to market. Now they take away the option for you to edit the price, so you cannot edit what you want to buy. Whenever you click on buy or sell, it is going to execute instantly with the market price, which is the current price. If it is 1.001, 1.003, it will just execute the order instantly, and that is how it works. Make sure you don't trade above 10% of what you have in your wallet, because well, it is one way I manage risks. If you use high assets, you can easily get liquidated because there is not going to be enough money or enough assets in your wallet to back your trades up. If you use high leverage, it is also going to affect you. So you would want to trade with caution. Remember to always trade with your spare money to avoid heartbreaks and the rest of them. So far, I believe you should know how to enter futures trade right about now. And if you want to exit at any point, you can click on the close position and it will ask you to confirm. As soon as I confirm, it is going to end this trade. But I'm not going to end this trade right now because, as you can see, it is going so well and it looks like I should hit the take profit position as soon as possible. Let's go up and see how it is going. Remember, we are under the 5-minute chart, and well, it is going pretty much well, and this is where I am expecting it to come, 1.012. So let's see how it goes. I am also going to make another video about futures trading, but on the PC. So if you are using your laptop to trade, or you want to start using laptop to trade, I'm going to show us the little difference between trading on mobile phones and trading with your laptop. So you would want to check out for that video as soon as it is out. All right, thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that, and also like this video. If there is any question or there is any way you would want me to assist you, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you.